A pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that promise.
Hotel check-in isn't until 4 and we got here at 1 o'clock. So we've literally come to the food market here and ordered a bit of food. And then now we're playing some Monopoly deal, you know. Don't know how to play it, so here are the rules. But yeah, stay tuned to see who the winner is.
That's all of the fried chicken, basically.
True.
I got chicken bites.
And then what's this?
What were you saying I should have gotten? Thing about Mackie apparently.
Fried chicken Mackie.
What's that? What is that?
My food came, but it's very, very nice. I definitely won food orders this time around. It's because our plans changed. We're off to the grocery store. We're going to buy kit there, and then we're gonna come back, check into our hotel, get ready to explore and sightsee, and go from there.
So we had a challenge, I can't lie, with the actual winners. The challenge was 3 things: a sweet, crisp, and a drink. Or yeah, okay. I got peach cider. Like, come on, how's that not
Like,
good? Yep. And then Bambo got rosemary hand cooked chips. Tell me that's not gonna slap. And then Tope got. We'll find out soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so there's a challenge, and this girl is stuck.
And what to get? I got
So what are your
Lay's,
options? Okay, but you didn't want on the crisp front.
peaches.
Not really original, but we'll give it to you.
I was thinking sangria. Sangria.
Your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby. So great.
We got the buffers in the corner. They're picking up the school. They only want me when I'm out there. You better call Becky with the good hair. You better call Becky with the good hair.
I want this to last forever. Oh, yeah.
Into the hotel, we're staying at Mixed Brussels, and we've got the Superior 40 room, which comes with a fully decked out kitchenette, a little dining area, storage space, and a water stunning view as well. So the room is here, and then you've also got the bathroom as well as a toilet. Thank you.
What did you get?
Sunrise cobbler. Thank you. So I ordered a sunrise cobbler. Let's do a little quick taste test. The tequila in here is strong. It was actually really nice cocktail.
Even if you don't love yourself.
We finished dinner at the Hoxton. I'll probably give it a 4 out of 10. The cocktails were so nice though, but the food, I just don't know if tacos are just so hard to get right or what. But I'm giving. So we're off to go get some dessert. Well, no, we had some waffles because imagine being in Belgium and getting waffles. We're currently walking through this really pretty park. Double Fire Primer. The GOAT. The Danessa Marriott Blowing Balm. To set it. Chestnut Tooth Butterscotch. Mommy, Charlotte Tilbury ones, which I actually swear by. MSF powder, my Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm lip. Crazy. Tracksuit set.
Okay, good morning.
Top of the morning.
So tired.
Guys, we actually slept quite early though, to be fair. But I think we had such a jam-packed day yesterday that I feel like now we're like, cool. So breakfast, we were just sat in silence eating, mate.
Anyway,
Yeah.
now we're heading out to go make some waffles. Because how can you not learn how to make waffles when you are eating at Brussels, apparently?
True, what she said.
If you want, you'll find first of all. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for you.
So if you do a test, basically, you only need to once it's ready. You just pull over someone's head.
Oh my god.
Tip it over. So here's the test.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm scared.
It's good.
Only been days, but it feel
Straight
like
into the
months.
center. And then you
Gone
go
for
help
you, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So we're currently at Mont des Arts. We're gonna go to Tope again soon as well. Waffle making done. We're currently at Grand Place. It's quite gloomy and rainy.
Baby boy, stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
This dress is from PLT. How cute. Earrings are Shein, I believe. This jewelry is ASOS. This ring is Fendi. These bracelets are ASOS as well. So I'm wearing a mixture of my Oriana perfume as well as my Penhaligon's in Presser. Girly scents. Guys, so we're off to dinner. We're going to Lily's for our last night little dinner just to end off the little cute girls trip. So my dress is from PLT. These jewelry is from ASOS, Fendi and some Shein. And then my heels as well are ASOS.
Hi guys. So my outfit is from Zara. It really is like it's more of a cutout, but I like a little bit of a slight cutout to give it a little pink effect. So my dress is from Zara, my jewelry is Swarovski, shoes are from Kurt Geiger, and my bag is by Zara. The prettiest of them all. Hi guys, I am wearing all Zara, unfortunately.
What do you mean, unfortunately?
From head to toe. Like no variety, just Zara, and my earrings are from ASOS. Cute. Our beauty is from my mother.
Bye! Guys, so we're at dinner at Lily's. Look at my gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Look at them looking all lovely. Look at them all looking all gorgeous too. It took ages to zoom, but yeah, the vibe looks really, really cute and pretty. Like, just looks really, really nice. The leaves. But yeah, you know, doing dinner.
I'm gonna make a non-menu air.
I want to be a bread.
I love a pasty. The one at breakfast today was so crusty.
I didn't try it.
So good. They need to put that egg.
The egg, bro, that egg scared me. But I don't really like hotel egg. It's me. When I see how liquidy it looks, I think shake. Oh, my kind of drink, man. Look how nice it looks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's a latte martini. Hi guys, I got my favorite drink. Guess what it is?
Sister, the cycle of cycles rules.
No. In its fullest glory.
Why'd you put my side?
Cheers. Let's do a taste test.
I said I didn't add extra syrup. So
Don't like it, don't love it.
Huh?
That's right.
Cheers to the girls weekend. Praise God.
We got salmon tartar, and then also salmon crispy rice style, like Nobu. This is the salmon crispy salmon rice. Thank you.
Twitter, you can try.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Who would have? I got Thai beef. It was recommended by the waiter. Very small portion size. Praise God, I'm not hungry and well done. Took a little bit of rice. Good. I'm in my bear again. I changed to the salmon in the end. It's actually a lot better, I'll be honest with you. This is it. Teriyaki salmon. Make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder. We're currently in a food market. We're literally going to get some burgers. We're going to do it at the hotel instead because it's a lot easier than going into town. So we can just check out and then leave and watch a movie. So we're at Manhattan's. The menu looks so good. So I got the Gatsby, Deb's got the Gotham, and then Bambo got the Rockefeller. So yeah, stay tuned.
Strawberry, strawberry.